Hi everyone, welcome to Augmintech. So have you seen these kinds of images where there are rays of light falling over and these look very nice and kind of like foggy? And you might want to create this for your projects. So let me show you in 3 simple steps how you can do it. So number one is I'm taking the same image that I used for fog. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another layer and I am going to start using my polygonal lasso tool and add a ray of light, like we call this a god light. So just adding it like this. Now second step is you add a color, so whatever color you want it to be. So for me I think yellow is good. Now I'm going to just change slightly the opacity, yeah, to make it look real. And finally I'm going to go to blur and go to Gaussian blur. So with Gaussian blur you can make it, very realistic. So I'm just going to add that. So to see it clearly you can zoom it out, and there you go. So something like this is here. And opacity you can decrease and also make it to go screen, lighten, multiply. So more or less screen is something which is going to work for you. Now if I press Ctrl D, finally this is the god light that I have added. Now if you want to make it more blurry, you want to change the blur, you can always play with that. If you want to make it even blurrier or something, just something which is very sharp and unique, that you can do this. So just with the help of Gaussian blur you can create this kind of an effect. So I hope you like the video. Thank you.